G'day guys, Jester here. Today we're at Cougal Creek. This is at Springbrook National Park near the Gold Coast. This is a great location to come and see some waterfalls, take a stroll with the family up to the old abandoned sawmill and enjoy the views and take a swim too. Being a national park, there won't be any dogs allowed here. All the animals you'll be able to see. And the old timber mill. There's the historic sawmill at the end of the hike. The mountain pools. Cougal's Cafe. Here's some of the abandoned parts from the old sawmill up here at Cougal Creek. Been taken over by nature. Going through the creek's easy, just have to mind your step, because some of the rocks are slippery. About a 30-minute drive west of the Gold Coast, and the hike only takes about 5 to 10 minutes to get to the top. It's just a great place to come and have a swim and relax, take in the sights. Someone's even been nice enough to leave us a rope here to get down to the next location. There's heaps of rock pools on the way down, so if there's too many people at one bit of the creek, just keep on heading down and you'll find your own spot. Word to the wise, watch out for the green stuff. If you slide on that, you'll be falling to the bottom. As you come down, the pools get deeper. This one here is up past my head. That was a little bit of a scramble to get down to this location, I recommend not doing it if you're not experienced. This pool here is extremely deep. Trying to get through this one. Try not to get the bag wet. It's definitely worth coming out and having a look at this creek out here at Leamington National Forest. It's great for a swim and just a day trip with the family. I highly recommend getting yourself a waterproof bag just in case you get stuck in the water. Thanks heaps guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to see more. You can find me on Instagram and YouTube, Jester Hikes. There's heaps of locations to park here and also toilets available too. There's even places to come and sit down for lunch. Be careful of leeches. There are a few in the water. I highly recommend coming out and checking out this place. It's definitely worth the look.